Hi, Crafty Angels. Vanessa here from Angel Rose Designs here on YouTube. I'm here today to show you what I made on Scrap It Thursday with Mrs. Gigi for our one word of the week. We're doing this collaboration where we do one prompt per week. And this week's prompt is cards. Okay. I know this is not a card, but this is a book of cards that I made. These are Prima journaling cards, so I made them to go with my December daily book. And I used paper from Mac Designs. I used paper from Tsunami Rose and from DS, what is it? Just Design Cuts with a View, I think. Paulette Slater. And I think that's all. Die Cuts with a View is what it's called, the paper. So, here's the first card. This is Tsunami Rose. This is Mac Jewelry. The present and the poinsettias Mac. This is Paulette Slater. Here's Die Cuts with a View. I believe it's Die Cuts with a View. This is Tsunami Rose. No, Mac Jewelry. And here's another one. This one is all, I think one person. I'm not sure. I gotta look at the video. This is Paulette and Tsunami. This is Tsunami here. This is Mac. Tsunami. I believe Die Cuts with a View. This is Tsunami. Tsunami, I believe. And this is definitely Tsunami. So these are all the cards I made for my December daily book. And they will be going into my December daily as soon as I'm finished putting it together. So I want to thank you all for watching. Please like, share, and comment. And if you haven't already, please do subscribe. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to get notified of when I upload new content, when I go live, or when I do a premiere. Oh, sorry about that. Please be kind, be caring, be safe, be crafty. And I will see you all in the next video and on the flip side. Happy crafting on a budget, happy everything on a budget, and bye-bye for now.